Hey, good morning everyone. It's Ray here with Smith Government Consulting. I'm back here doing another Wednesday tutorial video. If you've been following these lately, you may have noticed a trend. I am focused really heavily on the GSA FCP system. There's a good reason for that. It is the new platform that GSA has rolled out. It works together with the 𝗏𝗏𝗏 system, and it is replacing the legacy SIP program. So eventually everybody will be moved into that FCP. I believe the goal is still to have that done by the end of this calendar year, if not this fiscal year. But unfortunately, there are still some of you who are still in the legacy SIP program. So let's take a look at the best way to use SIP today in April of 2025. So to do that, I have a SIP program up here. I made a fake account for myself. And let's take a quick look here at the About Us section, or I'm sorry, the About SIP section. That should tell you a lot about it. It is a very old, dated program. So the sooner we get out of this, the better. The other part of it, there are actually two programs that go with SIP. This one here is the input section of it. It's a standalone program that also gets downloaded with it and works together. So in here, we would upload all of our information, import our information, and then over in the main SIP program is where we upload it to GSA, download response files, maybe call the vendor support center because something didn't work right. It's not a fun process. The import portion of it has 16 Excel sheets that get sent through it. About 3 to 4 of them are the most common that are changed. Don't worry, please don't tune out. We're not going to go through any of those Excel sheets right now. Instead, we're going to take a slightly different route here. To do this, I needed a real contract number, and I wanted a random one, not someone that I'm currently working with. So what I did, I downloaded a list of GSA vendors from GSA's eLibrary, sorted it to who is in Hawaii and who's a small business. Reason for that, one, I only work with small businesses, and two, I don't have anyone that I work with in Hawaii, but I would really love to. So if you happen to know anyone or have a connection in Hawaii, someone who's either looking to get on GSA schedule or needs help managing their contract, please send them to me. I will be incredibly grateful. It is a dream for me to have someone in Hawaii. So to do that, I had my AI program pull a random one, and here's the contract that it pulled, Premier Solutions. Hopefully you're familiar with GSA's eLibrary, but we have the vendor information, contract number, terms and conditions file, but most importantly, your GSA point of contact, your contract officer or contract specialist. So we're going to click on her email and bring it up. Now, I've already filled this out so that we're not wasting time typing an email here. We're going to put our contract number and what we're asking about. It's really a good practice to get into is putting your contract number in the subject line so the CO knows who it is who's reaching out to them. And all we're going to do, hi Kelly, I would like to be added to the next round of transitions to the FCP platform. Will you please see if you can get me added? Thank you. And we're going to go ahead and send that off and see what happens. Hopefully your contract officer or contract specialist will be able to move that up the chain a little bit and get you added. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Hopefully, though, they can help you get that added as soon as possible. The sooner we're out of SIP, the better. I think we all can think of some names there that are probably misusing SIP. I'm not going to mention them here, but I do think there are a lot of vendors out there who are, well, hopefully not a lot, but there are definitely some, who are sneaking things into a SIP upload, whether it's pricing that's not awarded, items that are not awarded, things along those lines. The sooner we get everybody into FCP, which just verifies that everything listed on GSA Advantage is awarded to the contract, the cleaner the system becomes, the more accurate it becomes, and it levels the playing ground for everybody. Unfortunately, some of you, like I said, will still be stuck in SIP. So if you're stuck there until your transition date and you have some things you need to do, you can come on, head over here and contact me. You can use a link, book an appointment in my LinkedIn bio, or just right through the website. You can book an appointment here as well, coming up into contact, and you can schedule it to me. I'd be happy to walk you through a SIP upload. We can do that pretty quickly. Just let me know. But like I said, that's how the best way to use SIP is to get out of SIP. So take that for what it's worth. Hope it helps someone. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.